Okay, so this is the Comet TC, but even the Chinesium ones are the same thing. Like how they work, like everything. So here we go. See, it looks all normal. Right in there, it has that little chrome spacer, right? Keeps it out of overdrive. Now, what I mean by that, I need a camera mount, I know. Alright. Okay. Get that out of the way. Shit. Hold on. Alright. So, what this is doing is it keeps it, you see that? It stops. Normally, this can go all the way. It touches. So that's your overdrive and it just kills it. So, I mean, everybody's setup is going to be a little bit different with what thickness you want to do that, because heavier bike, lighter bike, it's on a buggy, it's on, you know, go-kart, I don't know, whatever, but you have to play with the thickness to find what works for you. But that's pretty much it, and it does get a little chewed up. I just made this one. I mean, it's a really simple thing, out of a custom bicycle chopper fork that was one of the ones on my bike, but they got bent, so I just kept the tube because I use it for this. So that's it.